Welcome back. Now, another way that you can fulfill the customer's purchase is to have their digital products sent to them using the print-on-demand mail-based service called Kunaki. If that's the case, what you're going to need to do is to click this box, and you're going to need to have your Kunaki account integrated with your Thrivecart account. That means then that again, you're going to need to look at your integrations. You're going to need to come down to the Kunaki area. Now you'll notice here that there is a Kunaki account already active. However, you can authorize your already existing Kunaki account by clicking this button. What you'll need in order to connect to your Kunaki account is your Kunaki user ID and your Kunaki account password. You'll also need to have a product that is already set up within your Kunaki account. If that's the case, you'll need to select your Kunaki account in order to connect it. What you'll need is your Kunaki product ID. We are now inside of a Kunaki account. We're going to copy the product ID from the product that is set up. We're then going to place that product ID in this area and then click Next. You are now set up so that when an individual makes a purchase of this product, Kunaki will ship them the physical asset that you have set up for that particular product. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.